Drumming with Tunog Kayumanggi. Tunog Kayumanggi is a group I was a member of, like, in Zamboanga City, and we made a lot of performances in parishes of Claret, and we made performances in the Formation Center and in this Claret High School. We performed some protest songs and we incorporate indigenous instruments to the compositions, and we got members from the schools and from the community.